Hi there, my name is Star. I am a mother, artist, and community worker in the Mount Dennis area, and I'll be sharing some of my content around creating art using things around the house. Items which were once my recycling material have now become my art material, and if we look at pivotal moments in history like the one we are in now, art becomes a direct response to what is happening around us. In this tutorial, I'm going to use recycled cardboard to create floral motifs. For this, you will need a hole punch, scissors, cardboard, a piece of cardstock paper, phone or camera. Next, you just want to pick your colors that you like and then hole punch as many circles as you want. Here, I just drew out multiple teardrop shapes and cut them all out. You can glue these pieces down and create a handmade thank you card or art for your wall, or you can take photos and continue to recreate more art using the same material. And if you take pictures, you can always make multiple prints of your work. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will be posting more to come, and you can check out my YouTube page for other creative tutorials. And a big shout out to UrbanArts for inviting me to share creative content with you during this time.